Yeah, it's Blessing Son. K Rennie, the optimistic kid from zero to hero. Yeah. Now everybody back off, the boys about to drop. I mean this for the passion, know they fucking fan more. But the skinny niggas cannot rest my heavy bars. Before you rock it ass nigga, you should have thought twice. If you just too bloody, the shit is looking priceless. The head is big for nothing, you ain't got no skills, bro. I put up in the game and niggas became hopeless. Your bitch be cutting every step I take when I walk. You still a beginner, watch me tilling on the top. Be careful how you talk to me, nigga, I'm zero boss. Been on the game for too long, but you're sounding really whack. I know you niggas hate me cause I've always been assertive. Go and ask your mom to you, I'm just more than a father figure. You hating cause we run this game like we running the business. Even a little kid can say that I'm the hardest youngin'. I know every time I rap I leave you in a havoc. Yeah, skinny nigga about my body, weight is massive. I really never had a chance to speak about my feelings. I was an introvert and barely spoke to my siblings. Unless if one of them remember that I'm still existing. And I guess that is the reason why I'm too reckless. I'm a prick like the former president, but still make it to the front pages. I know you ain't prepared like Jacob Zuma making a speech. Even the Bible kind of verses like the ones that I preach. I'm all about the fact, nigga, I ain't tryna diss. I gotta practice what I preach. I never came in for the bitch. I wanna show them who's the realest. You niggas ain't creative. You're all about remixing, remaking, and faking. Yeah, I was born to be a star, and now I'm shining. They be talking shit, I'm glowing and I'm fucking their eyes. I'ma keep on doing this until I go heaven. They want me to prove the point that I'm the greatest. It's okay, mathematically the shit is given. And now you looking so dead. Man, I know it's so sad, cause I've never done maths. Future kings forever, now these niggas catching feelings. They want out to separate, the shit will never happen. I swear I never sleep until I make it to the summit. I wanna live my life like I'm the number one Norseman. I'm throwing bars at them and all they do is catching feelings instead of catching lyrics. I'm sorry, I'm the reason these niggas is changing terrors. I'm sorry, I'm the reason that you couldn't stand the pressure. I'm sorry that I'm throwing heavy bars you cannot stand. Big shout out to Trigger, man, he's the one who taught me how to write these killer verses. Man, he's the one who told me that I shouldn't have no mercy. The rap game is turning to a dumping site where every nigga put their fucking fresh stuff. This nigga's too exy, I'm hard when I pull up diamond. Niggas be acting like Clubby, they want us to fall. I see them on their knees, praying God to fall. Sure, book, it's your book, please get busy. Yeah, go, book, yeah. No games, no play, you are the kids, I'm a fool, you know the shit, I give the rules to obey. If you fail, you die, no games, no play. Man, my squad to run the village, if you're not okay with our law, we are the enemy, they busy run the shit, and now we tired. They don't have bars, run flow, they only spit the shit. Now I wanna know who does it better than us. Move, angimboni uyathanda ukuxesha ngethuba bafana nayiqali yoqala ikothule kwasani kokuvule mkani nosplitha amalanza nokushiya ikherelo vengcupheni bathi ngcupheni cupheleze ezithi siphethe mayilahla zinswempu mazingekho bafana kuyofanele ngiqale emaphansi ngoba banifile emakatsani inini ofakazi is-ade nishintshe igenre onayeka nikhethe ubuhlakani. It's your famous boy othuthi ukubuyisa futhi ukubhithi ngithi ukubangena ngibakhumbuza upoison kill. Yeah. Many people gonna die malikana. Khona impama ezoqhuma malkelana. Leze zenzi America melikana. Leze Betty Spring zengibambela. Bese ngibulala iwindi sophahlaka. Laba sathane ngibashisa ngevesi. Uthanda indaba kodwa awulaleli. Ithi notshanini kodwa asishisi. Ithi nonsangwini kodwa asikrasheki. Mntwana wenze amansense ayinonsense. Wena mntwana njengemali ngizohola njengama-minutes kekhe la ngithola free elami pen liyachitha ngiphethe ameva ngizohlaba ntombazana nalikhanselwa phela ndukumajasi ungangizeli ngokuphapha ngizobhena boy nina ntwana nikhela kimi ningenza istepis kulezi ethanda ublack vele ngehlisa iswish laba bangizela ngokulala ngibanika umpetho khona uzofahleka mase ngidonsa itrip khona uzocupheka mase ngibeka itrip kulezi ethanda ubumnandi ngikhipha itest ngifake inkuni ngikubasela ngithi phela uyashiseka mase ugcwala chitheka phasi izindisi ngiyachitheka ngomphesheya ngiyawela abatwana bayavela ngibaphushi bayawe kweyami imfungo ngeke ungamizi ngeke ungaphinde pop kweyami phansi angikhokhi attention ngoba iyabiza angimshawu usikhothe vele ngimshise kuleze shayekile ngithi washawuthe kuleze duzukile ngithi wekaphi khona zoshona kulomgodi engumba khona zomile kule flow yami khona zohlabe lethi khonto. It's your famous boy abo mrapper bathi bablandi kakhulu ingakho bengeke beyibonele. Sure it's a 02 hero things.
Sure yeah so kuyisele mumva ke thina nazo check it's your famous. It's all about my squad, Nick, you feeling me? No need to understand, cause I'm on my knees and pray to God. Skule lindle, skuli sekele bazokhala bontabaka icon, cause it says vele Justin all the way through heaven. Son mugela pan, awchisitale mapans, in mo. They didn't tell you before, I'm not a storyteller, but I gotta tell your story. We used to record a song using a phone, but now we in a studio making some hit. We getting abroad, we practice what we preach with my squad, future kings. We on a mission to kill all these fake pussy lame niggas. Yeah, you feeling me? All they know is just you fucking pretending to be cool kid. But I'm good, but they didn't realize I'm a seed. I can grow bigger once it drain. Obviously, so much. That's all I can do, man. Shit.